So we're going to add sound to our video. I pulled this off of bensound.com. Lots of cool things you can use on that website. So I drag it into the project window and then activate it into um, the timeline by dragging it in there. It's a pretty simple process. All you really want to do is you want the sound to play throughout the entire piece. But at the end, I thought it would be nice to fade it off. So I'm going to set the audio levels, and I set my first keyframe again by clicking on the little stopwatch, and I set that at 0. Now 0 was really kind of a quiet conversation. To turn it off completely in your second keyframe, set it to -44. That's what After Effects calls absolute quiet, is 44. And basically that's it.